This conference will now be recorded.
Next concept, today's concept is not able with types. So what is the purpose of types? Very simple, reusability process. That is for many internal tables. Okay, tables prefer structure as reusable to avoid duplicate code. Avoid code duplicate. So this is very important. You should know. First, let us understand the declaration about types. This is used to declare a structure as a specification with fields referring data type. It cannot allocate memory, but reusable to refer structure for many internal tables. How to declare we can mention as types colon. So begin of type name, comma. Then we will mention field name, type data type. Again, next field I'll specify field name, type data type. Then I'll mention end of type name. Okay. So I want to declare, okay, internal tables refer above type name as reusable. And here I'll mention by using data column. I'll mention itab type name. Again, another internal table type name. Like this, we can refer for multiple internal tables the above type structure. That is the advantage of using types. Yeah, please note these points in your book, please. You copied everyone?
Yes, sir.
So let us have an
Yes, sir.
example about this. So in this example, I'll show you type structure, how it performs as a reusable. Okay. Let me go to package. So we created given as ZB12, I think. February 2024. So we created last class one program, single record. Now we are creating with types two internal tables to declare two records will be stored in two different internal tables. Okay. So this is internal table with types. So now I'll declare a type structure. So I'll mention types colon enough. Okay, type 1. So I'll mention student code in bracket 4, type C, name in bracket 35, type C, course in bracket 10, type C, and end of type 1. Now I'll declare two internal tables referring same structure. So refer the type 1 structure as reusable. I'll declare like this data colon, I type 1, type 1, comma, I type 2, type 1. So both the internal tables refer same structure. So now I'll mention I type 1 hyphen student code equal to, I'll mention S1 to 3, and I type 1 hyphen name equal to, I'll mention Ramesh. Okay, and I type 1 hyphen course equal to, I'll mention Fico. Similarly, I'll store another record. I type 2, I'll mention, okay, so 1 to 4, and I type 2 hyphen name equal to Suresh, and I type 2 hyphen course equal to. So here I did not mention equal to, okay. I'll mention ABAP. Like these two courses have been stored in this. So now I want to display. Okay. So I'll specify right colon slash. Then I'll mention student code at 25, student name at 60. I'll mention course. This is just headings. Okay. So I'll say skip. Then I'm going to display from internal table 1. I tap 1 icon student code color 4, comma at 25. I tap 1 icon student name color 3, comma 60. I'll mention I tap 1 icon course. So like this, we can still display the records information. So here two internal tables we declared, both refers to the same structure. So what's the advantage? Instead of declaring begin of end of, we can use like this to perform. Okay, understanding? So save. Okay. So what happens here? Instead of two times begin of end of, two times declaring structure field. Suppose if my structure is around 50 fields, two times first structure begin of end of 50 fields, again second structure begin of end of 50 plus 50, 50 fields, 50 lines is just duplicate repeated. So instead of this, we can use this type structure referred for many internal tables. What we cannot do with these types? These types is reusable for the same program. These types is not reusable for another program. Correct? So if you want to reusable for many programs, then you have to mention global structures. Okay. Yeah. Please note this program, everyone. Copy this code, please. Yeah. Note this program. Everybody visible to you, or can I display in Notepad?
It is visible, sir.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Copied everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts? So the above program structure, type structure, will not reusable for many programs. So you want to perform type structure to reusable for many programs, we have to create global structure. Okay, let's try and get the point here. So this type structure is reusable for many programs. Okay, so with global structure, creating type group object into data dictionary. So in data dictionary, if you keep that, we can do it by using applying this. Okay, let's try and get the one here. So type structure is reusable for many programs with global structure, creating type group object in data dictionary. What is exactly type group? This type group is data dictionary. Okay, the type group is data dictionary. Okay, program data object, database object, which holds collection of types, elements, and types structures. So what is the advantage? It is reusable runtime for many SAP programs with above code, with above programs, above logic. Okay, for many internal tables, for many internal tables, we refer as reusable structure to avoid code duplicate. That's the advantage. How to access to read? To read type group into program, then we will mention type icon codes. Okay, here we need to mention type group name. We need to mention. Understand? Got the point here. So once you declare this type group name, type rules in the any program, any internal table can call the type structure. So now I want to declare a internal table. Okay. Type group, type structure. Very simple. We can mention like this: data colon internal table type and type group name underscore. We will mention type name here. Okay. So this is a very much important to understand the concept by using this. Okay. Yeah. Please note these points in your book, please.
Done, sir.
Copy everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. So before going to type group objects, what is exactly type element? So with the types, type element refers data type, cannot allocate memory, reusable for data declaration, many variables to refer as data. That means we will declare like this types colon, I'll specify type element name, type, and we'll mention the foreground data type. After that, we can refer for many variables. So data column, I can mention variable name, type, and we can mention type element name as reusable data type. For example, you see that I'll declare like this types colon num, type I am keeping. Then after that, I can refer this num for many variables. So I can use it like this data column. Okay, so v1 type num and v2 type num and v3 okay like v1 like this we can use here v1 v2 refers okay type element num data type and v3 substitutes okay v1 data type of num data type correct. From this point about type element. Correct.
Done, sir.
Copied. So in type proof, yeah, everybody copied.
Yes, sir.
So in type proof, every type element name and types structure naming standards starts with, okay, type proof name. That means we will mention like this, types colon, and here we will mention type group underscore. We should specify type element name and type, and we will mention foreground data type. Good. And we can also declare like this, types colon begin of. Here we need to mention type group name underscore type name. Then we'll mention, okay, the field name, type data type. Again, I'll mention field name, type data type. Again, I'll mention field name, type data type. And which follows, okay, end of type group underscore type name. Like this, we can use to apply by using this in type group structure. Okay. So in future, suppose you are going to join a team lead what will do, suppose you are developing some applications, there is some structures are repeated for a business application data, he'll keep in a global structure, he will ask you to use that reusable. So we should have very good knowledge about this global structures type group. Yeah, please note the syntax about type groups, declarations.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, everybody copied? Radhakrishna copied? So this will teach you on Monday class with type group with standard tables. We'll create one type group structure. We'll go for standard, sorted, and hashed. How it is reusable, we can discuss. So go through the material what I send internal tables. So by Monday, Tuesday, we'll be completing internal tables. Tuesday, we are entering into, okay, again, data dictionary objects. Okay. Yeah. Any questions today's class, Shubhesh?
Sir, where have you sent the materials?
Material, sir.
I'll send you. I think you not received. I think I'll send again once again to you. Okay. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. I haven't received any material, neither in mail or in WhatsApp also.
Yeah. Now today I'm sending. Definitely I'll send you. Today is the last day. So now I'll send you all these things. Links. Please download by today. Okay. Afternoon I'll send
Yeah,
you
yeah, sir.
before 3.
Videos also, sir. Please send.
Video means nothing more of. I'll send you links and you download by today.
Yeah, yeah. I know, sir.
Everything.
Transcripts.
Okay. Okay. Then bye. See you. Have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.